You see that perfectly plated salmon on the postcard in your mail, and you think finally, I can cook like a pro. But behind those glossy Martha Stewart photos is a business model that feels more like a trap than a kitchen assistant. Marley Spoon positions itself as the high-end choice for people who want a personal chef experience. It started back in 2014 and hitched its wagon to the lifestyle queen herself. We are talking over 100 recipes a week. It sounds like a dream for any foodie. The price tag reflects that premium vibe too. You are looking at $9 to $13 per serving. Then add another $11 for shipping. That adds up fast. But here is where the dream starts to sour. If you look at the thousands of reviews out there, the split is wild. Some people genuinely love the flavor. They say it is the best kit on the market. But then you start seeing the horror stories. I'm talking about meat arriving at 60 degrees when it is 90 degrees outside. That is not just a dinner ruined. That is a safety hazard. When customers complain, the response is often a total letdown. Instead of a refund, they offer a credit for a future box. Why would you want a credit for a company that just sent you warm raw chicken? It feels like a bad joke. Then you have the cancellation system. This is the part that really gets under my skin. Their cutoff is nearly a week before delivery. If you try to cancel even a minute late, they lock you in. People have signed up, changed their minds 10 minutes later, and still got charged for a box they did not want. Their own terms of service are built to keep your money once they have it. But wait, it gets even more concerning when you look at the books. In 2024, the auditors officially flagged a material uncertainty about whether the company can even survive. Their stock price dropped nearly 92% from its initial public offering price. They even took themselves off the public stock exchange. When the auditors are worried about survival, that is a massive warning. You are basically funding a sinking ship that might send you spoiled ingredients. I love good food as much as anyone. I want these services to work. But we have to be realistic about where our money is going. If the taste is great but the company is unstable and the service is dismissive, is it really worth the gamble? You have to ask yourself if you are buying a meal or a headache. I spend my time digging through these filings because marketing is cheap. The truth usually requires some digging. If this keeps you from a kitchen disaster, then I have done my job. I want to keep doing these deep dives without being beholden to the companies I am critiquing. Using the links provided is a huge help. It keeps the lights on while I stay skeptical. One link helps me out if you buy the product. The other is just an Amazon bookmark. Use it for your regular shopping. A tiny bit of that goes back to supporting these investigations. It does not cost you a cent extra. It is a win for everyone. Keep your eyes open and your skepticism sharp. I will be back soon to tear into another product that promises the world but delivers something else entirely. Stay savage out there.